birth, honor,
Um,
martyrs.
Press it. Speak into it. Speak into it.
Yes, so coming from birth, honor, healthcare workers, over 400 martyrs in Gaza. Physicians were in New York City, employed by.
I think you need to speak loud. You need to speak into it.
Young physician in New York City, employed by large Jewish healthcare system. On October 11th, chair of medicine sent out email quoting health system leadership that they condemn horrific attacks on innocent Israeli civilian and military personnel, and that Department of Medicine stands in solidarity with people of Israel. Have been looking not a word since then. Over 42,000 people killed in Gaza. That includes 9,000 buried under rubble, missing or not counted in the official death toll. Over 13,000 children are killed, not a word. Over 11,000 women are killed, not a word. By mid-December, Wall Street Journal reported 70% of houses are destroyed, not a word. Over 1,000 children amputated, not a word. 25,000 children are orphaned, not a word. Children like Alma, 12-year-old, only survivor of her family. She said she saw her baby brother, 18-month-old, in unimaginable condition. His head was severed. She said she wished she would have died. These are children like our children. 50,000 pregnant women in Gaza in October, 180 deliveries each day, many in the open field, in the tents, cutting umbilical cord by paper scissors, clamping with blow-drying clips. They're already anemic with starvation, malnourished, and no milk to feed newborns, high maternal and neonatal mortality. Mother like Rania Guanza, who conceived after 10 years. In October, she had early cesarean, twins, boy and girl. They were 5-month-old and they're sleeping. Her family home was bombed and everyone except her was killed. Her pain is unimaginable. She lost her twins, her family, her husband, everyone. Besides the 400 plus healthcare workers, over 400 doctors are arrested without charges, and they are separated from other prisoners and subjected to worst form of torture and degradation. From the account of Dr. Muhammad Al-Ron and pediatrician Dr. Saeed Abdul Rahman Maruf, who were released after 45 days of detention without charges. They were arrested from the hospital while working day and night unpaid, stripe-netted, tortured, hands cuffed for 45 days, legs tied to the chair. They were put on diapers. They were allowed 1 hour in 24 hours to use restroom and change diapers. 100 people for 60 minutes. These are, and Dr. Muhammad Abu Sanmiya, medical director of Shifa Hospital, who was picked up in November, not to be heard about. Dr. Ron saw him. Both of his arms are broken. His chain is tied around his neck. He's made to crawl in front of public like animals and forced to feed in the mouth from the ball and thrown like animals. These are physicians like us. These are humans like us. Almost all 36 hospitals was bombed and attacked, destroyed. End of November. End of November, an Al-Nasser pediatric hospital, Israeli occupation forces did not let physicians and parents go to neonatal intensive care unit for 1 week. After 1 week, when they went, they found partially decomposed bodies of 5 premature babies. They expect them to survive on their own? No, that happens in genocide. Kamal Adwan Hospital, 8 November. 60 patients were inside the tent, run over by military bulldozers, crushed alive into pieces. Shifa Hospital is attacked and seized second time after 14 days. They left completely destroyed. destroyed and burned. More than 300 dead bodies were found, partially decomposed, many only left into skeletons, bones. And the dead bodies of women, military dogs were unleashed upon, eat them, and perhaps to erase the evidence of their war crimes on their bodies before killing them. These atrocities are unprecedented in a lifetime. Anyone comfortably silent is complicit in genocide. That's why US Airman Aaron Bushnell said, I will no longer be complicit in genocide. No one should do it what Aaron had to do. And chanting until his last breath, Free Palestine. Free, free Palestine.
Free, free Palestine.
Free, free Palestine.
Free, free Palestine.
From Gaza to Jenin.
From Gaza to Jenin.
From Gaza to Jenin.
From Gaza to Jenin.
Hurrah, hurrah, Palestine.
Hurrah, hurrah, Palestine.
من غزة لجنين.
من غزة لجنين.
من غزة لجنين.
من غزة لجنين.
هرا هرا فلسطين.
حرة حرة فلسطين.
من غزة لجنين.
من غزة لجنين.
هرا هرا فلسطين.
حرة حرة فلسطين.
من غزة لجنين.
من غزة لجنين.
غزة غزة you will rise.
غزة غزة you will rise.
Palestine will never die.
Palestine will never die.
غزة غزة you will rise.
غزة غزة you will rise.
Palestine will never die.
Palestine will never die.
غزة غزة you will rise.
غزة غزة you will rise.
Palestine will never die.
Palestine will never die.
From the river to the sea.
From the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free.
Palestine will be free.
From the river to the sea.
From the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free.
Palestine will be free.
From the river to the sea.
From the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free.
Palestine will be free.